Hi guys, my name is Roop Sandhu and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and also click on bell. So today I'm going to do a review of NYKAA Matte to Last Liquid Lipsticks, which has been my favorite lipsticks. And I know that it's too late to do a review, but if the lipstick is still selling and it is not discontinued, I think it's better to do a review than never. These lipsticks come in two sizes, full size and mini size. Now these lipsticks are entirely different from each other. This one has a matte top and this is having a glossy finish overall. So one cannot tell that this is a mini of this lipstick. And you know what? Because of these two different packaging, the actual product, which is the lipstick, it gets very much affected. Now these liquid lipsticks, which is a full size, I bought them when they were newly launched, which means that it has been a long time that I've bought these lipsticks. But these lipsticks are still quite liquidy, and when I apply these, they just feel like new ones. And the mini liquid lipstick from the same range has dried up already. You can see the cracks in all three liquid lipsticks. They have all dried up, and I had the same problem with Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick as well. The full size was all fine, it is still quite liquidy, but the mini size of Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick has also dried up. So these liquid lipsticks, which come in mini size, they dry up in a few months. So even if you buy these, make sure that you use them in a month or 2 months or 3 months, but they will dry really quickly. Yeah, but I did not have the same problem with the mini liquid lipsticks of Huda Beauty. They remained all fine. Anyways, let's forget about the mini brats and talk about the actual product, which is the NYKAA Matte to Last Liquid Lipstick, the full size. It is absolutely good to go for. Now these lipsticks are liquidy. They have a liquidy consistency. A little product of this lipstick spreads very nicely on the lips. These lipsticks take a little time to settle down and dry, after which they give a beautiful matte finish on the lips. These lipsticks do need a little layer of foundation underneath it to get a better color payoff. Now these lipsticks are full coverage lipsticks, but I would say that these are a little less than full coverage lipsticks. This is the applicator of the lipstick, which applies lipstick very nicely. These lipsticks are enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants. These are cruelty free and paraben free. Price of the full size lipstick is $5.99 and we get 4.5 ml product in it. And in small size we get 1.2 ml product, and I'll mention the price in the description. Fragrance of the product is very nice. It has a very mild fragrance and I like it. These lipsticks are surely long lasting lipsticks, but if you eat a heavy meal or oily food, they might come off a little bit, and you can do a touch up of that. It does not cracks up. So if you apply a lipstick on the cracked up lipstick, it looks really bad, but that thing does not happen with this. Shade range of these lipstick is really nice. They have reds, they have pinks and nudes. So I have 5 shades from them and I will do the swatches just in some time. Yeah, I would try if I could do one-time swatch with those dried up lipsticks if possible or not. Otherwise I had to put a solution to revive them and try to use them on my lips. So let's see the swatches now. So this was a review of NYKAA Matte to Last Liquid Lipsticks, full size and mini size. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care.